This is a Socket 370 system that I have bought from eBay for £1. Postage was about £4, and it is a Pentium 3 866 according to the listing. So let's have a look, see what we've got and whether they've applied thermal paste. I'm going to use a 2 screwdriver technique, pushing it down with one and then moving it out with the other, and that doesn't work either. Okay, here's a closer look at what we're dealing with. You can push it down, but there's no... there we go. So we have Pentium 3 as expected. Spin this around, have a look. Pentium 3 866 256 133. We may as well clean up and reapply the thermal paste. You'll notice how close all these capacitors are around this heatsink, which means it's quite difficult to get larger heatsinks that fit. So as I was saying, these capacitors are right next to this heatsink. So there you go. And hopefully putting this on is going to be slightly easier than taking it off. And there we go. This is a Biostar motherboard M6VCF. It doesn't have any built-in graphics, so we will be using this Radeon 9550 card. And it would help if this memory thing wasn't in the way. And we're going to connect everything up. Okay, so connected the power supply, the video card, the monitor, USB keyboard and mouse, and I'm going to switch the power supply on now. I've got these, which are the power switch, which is this one. It's got a power LED, I think. Got a reset switch, got a speaker, and got a display on the screen. Tells us we've got an Intel Pentium 3 866, 512 meg RAM. And we've got a USB keyboard that works. So I'm going to go straight to PC help. Got a CPU phone speed, which is very high, very loud. Doesn't have CPU temperature, which is a shame. Frequency control. It's fairly basic. So I'm going to connect up a hard drive. I always think that I can just plug in a hard drive from another system and the computer will boot up and go, oh, you've got new hardware. But Windows 98 and Windows XP don't really seem to like that idea very much. Whereas Windows 10 seems much happier just going, yeah, whatever. I'm working it all out. So I'm going to be reinstalling some version of Windows on this. Okay, in order to make some progress with this, I've put in a Matrox G450 graphics card, and this should be recognised by Windows XP, and basically I'm wanting to finish up testing this system, make sure it all works, and probably, unless I can find a different heatsink fan for this, I'll probably sell this because it's just too loud, and yeah, I've got other Socket 370 systems that I can use instead. I'll show you what I mean by too loud. I mean, you've seen the rest of the video, so I'm sure you're aware. So it's found the graphics card, and it will install the drivers. Checking device manager. Got the display adapter Matrox Millennium G450. You may need a restart for us to see the full effect, as that should be quicker than that. And the other things I'll test is the sound. The USB ports, I think I've already checked they work. Yep. It's just this fan, it's so loud. Okay, I'm just gonna shut this down so that you can hear the silence. Ah.